Hello, am I speaking with Shreya? Hi Shreya, this is Misha calling from National College of MBA, which is ranked among the top 5 colleges in MBA. Shreya, are you currently exploring MBA programs for yourself? I just wanted to inform you about National's 2-year full-time MBA course, which you can complete at minimal fees. If you are interested, I had be like to share more details with you. Along with this, I would like to invite you to our campus where you can get more information about NSPM. Alright, Shreya. Admissions are now open at National College for our MBA program. We offer 100% placement assistance to our graduates, with starting salary packages ranging from 8 to 10 lakhs. Our college is tied up with over 300 MNCs and corporate companies for placements, and we also provide a 6-month paid internship as part of the program. जी बिल्कुल। तो श्रेया, नेशनल कॉलेज में एमबीए के एडमिशन्स चालू हो गए हैं और हम हमारे ग्रेजुएट्स को 100% प्लेसमेंट्स ऑफर करते हैं, जिनका कम से कम सैलरी पैकेज 8 से 10 लाख होता है। हमारे कॉलेज 300 से ज़्यादा एमएनसी कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज के साथ टाई अप्स है प्लेसमेंट के लिए, और हम 6 महीनों का पेड इंटर्नशिप भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। For more information, I had like to invite you to our Mumbai campus where you can meet our counselors